What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I want to let you know that I did make a free forex training recently. The link is in the description of this video. And I also looked at something. I realized that 90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And if you have any questions about trading, you need any help whatsoever, shoot me a DM. It's 100% free to do that. Now let's get into the video. So I want to show you guys how I've been making very large profits trading US 30. I'm going to just go over my strategy and summarize it for you guys very easily so you can understand. Now, the times that I am trading US 30 are during the New York session. I've realized that that's when the market moves the most, and that's when I can see the quickest reactions and make the biggest profits trading. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but today the market dropped over 10,000 pips, which is pretty insane. And I want to show you guys something because there's a level in the market that the market has hit now 3 times, and every time that it hits that mark or that point in the market, it's dropping about 8,000 to 10,000 pips, which is pretty insane. So it is the 34,000 level. This is a level that you need to keep your eyes on because it hit it one time, had a huge reaction, hit it a second time, had a huge reaction, hit it a third time, had a very big reaction. Then this was today with that 10,000 pip move to the downside. So this level right here is very reactive, the 34,000 level. So keep that in mind. It's a psychological level, by the way. So I really have been trading off the minute 15 the past couple of days. I've seen really big success with that. And I think that lower time frames are cool. I love the 5 minute, but I need to switch it up sometimes and see what's really working for me to overall perfect my craft. So I've realized the 5 minutes sometimes can be kind of emotional. The markets or the candles are opening and closing every 5 minutes, and they might close as a doji and then it tanks. So I'm going to give you guys a tip. You're going to get real confirmations on larger time frames. So when I'm looking at the minute 15, I know that a lot of these candles are going to play out exactly as I expect them to. So if I do see a doji or a reversal candle, it's most likely going to actually reject it and go in the way that I want it to go into. So as we're looking right here, we need to also keep into consideration, and guys, I don't know what's wrong with me today. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed, so I can't even talk. My mind is going crazy, so bear with me. But the next thing that I'm going to be looking at is timing. Timing is so important with trading, and I'm not going to lie to you. The best time to trade US 30 is between 6:30 and 8:30 a.m. Just that 2-hour time slot is very fire. So I'm going to tell you guys also with me, I like to trade US 30 from like 6:45 to 7:45. That's like my key slot that I've been working with lately. So what I'm looking at is I've been using the minute 15 chart for a lot of my confluence, and what I'm looking at is the 6:45 candle in the minute 15 time frame, the 7 a.m., 7:15, 7:30, and 7:45. Those are the times where I want to take a trade. I might hold a trade till like 8, 9 a.m., but really when I'm looking for a perfect setup is those times. So we can see right here, this was the market open 6:15 to 6:30, and the market actually opened right here on this candle. Now on this candle, this was a 6:30 to 6:45 candle, and we can see that it had a very nice drop to the downside, and it just kept dumping all day long. So you could have just rode this momentum all the way to the downside, and all I'm looking for at those key times that I gave you is for a rejection candle, a continuation candle to the downside or the upside, just any type of candle that's going to tell me like, look, this thing is just going to keep dropping, you're going to keep selling it. Okay, so that's exactly what we saw right here. And when I'm looking for these entries, I always wait for the timer to expire right here. I'm not entering when there's 5 minutes left, 10 minutes left. Like, I wait till there's probably 5 to 10 seconds left on the timer, and I'm like, boom, execute my trade. Because within a candle like this candle, it has 5 minutes left. Even if it has 30 seconds left, it could just shoot up or it could shoot down. You do not know what the candle is going to do. So realistically, what you want to do is you want to wait for that candle to close to overall give you confirmation on what's going to happen next. And I can't tell you how how big of a believer I am on waiting for the candle to close to overall give me confirmation on whether I'm going to buy or sell the market. That's really what I wanted to go over with you guys in this video. I know this video wasn't too exciting, and I hope you guys got a little bit of value. And if you haven't, go watch my other videos because there's a ton of value in the video that I dropped before this one. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.